Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a PNR passenger name record in Amadeus. A PNR holds the essential details of a traveler's reservation, along with pertinent information for their journey. It's a collection of data items known as elements and can contain up to 999 of them. Every PNR must have 5 mandatory elements, which we remember with the acronym PRINT. Each letter represents a crucial piece of information, and these elements can be entered in any order. Let's explore what PRINT stands for. Letter P is for the phone number, the contact element. This could be the details of a travel agency or the traveler. Letter R stands for received from, noting who initiated the PNR's creation or modification. Letter I is for itinerary, tied to the cell element, including flights or other services. Letter N denotes the name element, listing the passenger's name, whether an adult, child, or infant. Letter T is for ticketing, used for setting reminders or time limits. After inputting these mandatory 5 elements, finalize the record with an end transaction, ET or ER, to store it in the reservation system. In this video, we'll walk you through creating a PNR from scratch. It's best to start fresh and use the IJ command for new or updated PNRs. We'll display availability using AN transaction followed by the date of travel, 15th June, and the 3-letter code for Paris, PAR, as the origin city code, and Roha, DOH, as the destination city 3-letter code. You can use either the city or airport code as required. Use a slash for separation, the letter A, as an identifier for the airline, followed by QR, the 2-character airline code for Qatar Airways. To sell the seats, use the SS transaction followed by the number of seats required. In this case, 3 seats are required, followed by the booking class M. Followed by 1, which is the line reference number for our selected flight from the availability display. After selling the outbound flight, you can use the ACR availability change return option followed by the required date of travel from Doha, DOH, to Paris, PAR, on 25th June. Alternatively, you can use the neutral availability option for your return journey, using AN transaction for availability display, followed by the date of travel, 25th June, and the 3-letter codes for Doha, DOH, as the origin city 3-letter code, and Paris, PAR, as the destination city 3-letter code. Use a slash for separation, the letter A, as an identifier for the airline, followed by QR, the 2-character airline code for Qatar Airways. To sell the seats, use the SS transaction followed by the number of seats required. In this case, 3 seats are required, followed by the booking class M. Followed by 1, which is the line reference number for our selected flight from the availability display. To add an adult's name, use the NM name transaction followed by the seat occupant number 1, the family name Smith, a slash, the first name or given name John, a space, and the passenger title MR. To add an adult and an infant with the same family name, use the NM name transaction followed by the seat occupied number 1, the family name Smith, a slash, the first name or given name Carol, a space, and the passenger title Mrs. An open bracket, the infant passenger type code INF, a slash, the first name of the infant James, a slash, and the date of birth with the year 15th January 2024, and then close the bracket. To add a child's name, use the NM name transaction followed by the seat occupant number 1, the family name Smith, a slash, the first name or given name Joseph, a space, and the passenger title MSTR, an open bracket, the child passenger type code CHD, a slash, the date of birth 15th October 2021, and then close the bracket. The names of infants and child are also automatically updated in the PNR in SSR format. To add general contact details for the travel consultant or passenger, use the AP transaction for contact, the location 3-letter code PAR for Paris, followed by the phone number and the person's name, Robert, as a reference. To add an email contact, use the APE transaction followed by a dash and the email address. To add the ticketing element, use the TK transaction followed by OK for no time limit assigned. To add the received from element, use the RF transaction followed by the person's name, John, who has contacted you to make the reservation. Once you have entered all 5 mandatory elements of the PNR, you can use the ETN transaction. This completes the transaction, creates the PNR, and closes it. Alternatively, you can use ER, which does the same but keeps the PNR open on your screen in case you need to make further changes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.